I knew my snoring was bad. I didn't realize sleep apnea was affecting every part of my life. I tried CPAP, but it just wasn't working for me. Every night was frustrating.
That's why we start by understanding each patient's specific needs. There's no one-size-fits-all solution.
He listened, he explained my options, and he helped me find a solution that fits.
Better sleep can improve your health, energy, and quality of life.
It certainly improved mine.
If CPAP isn't working for you, call today or visit TexasSinusAndSnoring.com.